What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. What if I tell you that you can play Roblox on Steam Deck? Firstly, download the Sober Flat Pack from the official Sober website. Open the file with Discover Store app and to install it. Wait a few minutes for the installation to complete, depending on your internet speed. Now, Sober runs Roblox via its Android version, so you'll need the Roblox APK file. Get it from a safe source like APK Mirror and choose at least the version available. Now open Sober from your application launcher and when prompt, select the Roblox APK you downloaded. Sober will install and confirm that Roblox is ready to launch. Log in with your Roblox account, and to make Roblox easier to launch from the game mode, right-click the Sober shortcut on your application launcher. Select Add to Steam. This lets you launch it directly in Steam Deck game mode. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.